Hi guys, it's me Tina and it's so great to be back. A couple of weeks ago I decided to start a Poshmark store. Why? Because I've been hearing a lot of people have been making extra money on doing the things they love, and that's shopping or even cleaning out their closet, and they're able to make a couple bucks. Really, I just want to increase my multiple streams of income because living in LA, it is hard. The rent is too darn high. I would like you guys to come on this journey with me and help me build this Poshmark store. I do love fashion, as you guys already know, and I love vintage clothes. I love sourcing. I love anything related with looking fab. This coming week, I went to the Goodwill outlet and it was so much fun. I got so much stuff and I want to show it to you today. Just first off, to let you know, at this Goodwill outlet, it was $1.56 per pound, and we spent about 160 bucks, but we got tons of awesome stuff. The first thing I got was these sweatpants, these joggers. They're Victoria's Secret, and they're from the Pink label. So I've been doing my research, y'all, and I heard that the Pink label sells good, so I'm hoping that it does. These are in great condition. As you can see, they're black. The pant of the foot, or the hem rather, is tattered, so I believe they came like that. So that totally looks good. They look comfy and super cute. Well, the next thing I got, I was able to grab, because mind you, there were people like vultures over there. If they found something or saw something with value, you probably gonna get your eyes scratched out. I was able to grab this Mickey Mouse t-shirt. Now these are definitely collector items, especially if they're from Disney, which they are. I don't know if you can see that in the label, but this is totally in good condition. The pits are good. Probably needs just a gentle cycle washing, but yeah, definitely cute. And it's Mickey. He's the king of Disneyland. Who wouldn't want that? The next thing I was able to grab was a Lucky brand top. It's like a thermal type of style. Very good condition. It almost looks new. I checked it. It's super comfy. Retail, these things go for a pretty hefty price, and used good condition, I'm sure I can get a good price on that too, especially the brand. It's definitely a high quality brand. Next thing I was able to grab was this cute peacoat from Banana Republic. The toggles, and it's actual genuine leather. The arms looked good. Everything looked good. The inside lining was good. Almost as if this person wore it like once or twice. Definitely good quality and good use of this coat. The person took good care of it. The next thing I found was this Worthington, also almost like a trench coat peacoat design. Very nice. I liked the white or beige trim with the red trim on the inside. I thought that was pretty unique. And the belt was still intact. This too almost looked like it was hardly worn. It is a size extra large, but to me it looks more like a large. I don't know if it's really true to size, but it looks like maybe it runs small, but I thought it was really classy, really nice. The next thing I was able to find was an Isaac Mizrahi. How do you pronounce that? Anyways, I saw a documentary with him when he did a fashion show, and that's really honestly the only reason why I do know him. He did a line for Target, and I think this is from that collection. I thought it was cute. You know, animal print is totally in right now, so if no one buys it, I'm gonna keep it for sure. The next item I was able to grab was this cute Banana Republic, brand new with tags, never worn top, and it has like a cute little bow right here. Yeah, that was fabulous, and it wasn't worn. Roughly, I think if you calculate the pounds with the cost, we might have spent like a couple dollars per item. So definitely a good deal on something that's brand new. Now, who could pass up this t-shirt with the king of pizza? All I want to say is that they don't really care about